Hello, my friends. Today, you are going to learn how to improve your English pronunciation and fluency through a simple story. This story will teach you the most important sounds in English and show you how to speak smoothly and naturally. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Let's begin. Meet Sarah. Sarah moved to New York 3 months ago. She understands basic English very well, but she struggles in real conversations. Why? Because native speakers use interesting words that are not in beginner textbooks. Today, you will learn 3 uncommon but powerful English words through Sarah's story. First word, overwhelmed. Sarah's American friend asked, "How do you feel about your new job?" Sarah didn't know what to say. She felt too much stress, too much work, too many emotions all at once. The perfect word is overwhelmed. Practice with me. Overwhelmed. Overwhelmed. It means having too much to handle emotionally or mentally. I feel overwhelmed by my new responsibilities. I feel overwhelmed by my new responsibilities. Second word, procrastinate. Sarah wanted to learn English every day, but she always said, "I'll do it tomorrow." She kept delaying and delaying. Her friend said, "Stop procrastinating." Practice with me. Procrastinate. Procrastinate. It means to delay or postpone something you should do now. I always procrastinate when I need to study. I always procrastinate when I need to study. Third word, ambitious. Sarah told her colleague, "I want to become a manager, learn 3 languages, and start my own business." Her colleague smiled and said, "You are very ambitious." Practice with me. Ambitious. Ambitious. It means having a strong desire to achieve success or power. She is ambitious about her career goals. She is ambitious about her career goals. Now, how to use these words naturally. Sarah realized that knowing the word is not enough. She needed to use them in real situations. So she practiced every morning. She looked at her busy schedule and said, "I feel overwhelmed today." When she delayed her homework, she told herself, "Stop procrastinating, Sarah." When she set big goals, she wrote, "I am ambitious about my future." Simple practice, real situations, natural English. After 2 weeks of using these words, something amazing happened. Sarah sounded more confident and sophisticated. People were impressed by her vocabulary. Native speakers treated her differently. How did she do it? She learned one new uncommon word every day. She wrote it down. She made 3 sentences with it. She used it in real conversations. Just 10 minutes a day. That's all. Now it's your turn. Learn one uncommon word every day. Write it down, make 3 sentences with it, use it in real conversations. In just 2 weeks, you will sound more confident and sophisticated. Remember, native speakers don't just use simple words, they use interesting words that make them sound educated and impressive. Learn these words, use these words, become fluent with powerful vocabulary. Keep practicing, my friends, and I'll see you in the next video.